Hi everyone! Today we are going to build a project that can literally save lives. This project called DFALL, a smart hardware fall detection system integrated with software. According to health statistics, falls are a leading cause of injury among the elderly. So, in this video, we will show you how to build a wearable device that detects falls in real time and instantly send an emergency alert in our software dashboard. Okay, let's get started. First, let's look at the hardware we needed. This is ESP32 microcontroller we choose for its built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities. And then the main sensor, we have MPU 650 and DFALL 345, which tracks acceleration and angular velocity across 3 axes and 6 axes. We have PCB board, a small LiPo battery, pin header, jumper, charging module, and addition tools. We have solder wire, and multimeter for checking our hardware. Step 1 is connecting our hardware one by one to make sure our model works correctly. After that, we connect the MPU 650 to the ESP32 using I2C protocol wiring STA to STA and STL to STL. After connecting all the circuit lines, check each line one by one with a multimeter to see if the network is connected correctly. Step 2 is we need to create a database in Firebase with the following columns to store the data and then bridging the hardware to the software. Once a fault is confirmed, the ESP32 connects to our Wi-Fi network. Send an instant HTTP post request containing the device status and timestamp directly to our central database. Finally, let's look at the software side. Our web dashboard continuously listens for incoming data. Let's do a live test. As you can see, right now, the status is green and normal. What happened when I simulate a fall? Immediately, the data is processed. The backend registers the impact and the dashboard flashes a critical alert. And that is how we build a functional end-to-end hardware fall detection system integrated with software. This project is a perfect example to show how IoT can be applied in healthcare innovation. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave in your question in the comment section. Thanks for watching and goodbye!